Content is queen. How to rule your marketing game with content marketing. Hey there, business owner. Are you feeling overwhelmed by all the marketing strategies you need to implement? Well, fear not. In this video, I'm going to show you why content marketing is essential for your business. Firstly, trust and credibility. Content marketing builds trust and credibility with your audience. By consistently creating valuable and informative content, you establish yourself as an authority in your industry. People will trust and rely on you for information. Secondly, visibility and reach. When you create and share content that is optimized for search engines and social media, it helps increase your visibility and reach. You can attract a larger audience and reach potential customers who may not have heard of your business before. Thirdly, content marketing generates leads and conversions. It can drive traffic to your website, where you can capture leads and convert them into paying customers through email marketing, remarketing, and other tactics. Fourthly, it's cost-effective. Compared to other marketing strategies like paid advertising, content marketing is relatively low cost and has a long-term impact. Once you've created content, it can continue to generate leads and conversions for months or even years. Lastly, content marketing fosters loyalty and retention. By consistently delivering valuable content to your audience, you can build strong relationships with them and keep them coming back for more. So, there you have it. Content marketing is essential for any business looking to establish trust, increase visibility, generate leads and conversions, and foster loyalty and retention. Start creating content today and see the results for yourself. Ready to start ruling your marketing game with content? Then don't hesitate. Reach out to us for help or guidance along the way. Remember, content is queen, and with the right strategy, you can rule your kingdom of marketing. So what are you waiting for? Get started now.